Hello, I'm on my way home from days and days and days of rain, and well, the sun is now out. I went out for 3 reasons. 1, to go camping. 2, to film the Perseid meteor showers. And 3, because I wanted to show you the reveal of the full setup of the 8-person tent that I just did a video on. So it may be a couple of weeks before I can get another video out. Family health issues, not mine, mean that I have to stay home. If you subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And also click on notifications. You'll know when the next video's out. So thanks for watching. That's a pretty nice site. As I'm setting up the tent, I wanted to show you the inside while it's all staked down properly, which I didn't do on the initial setup video because I said I was going to do it soon, and here it is. But as far as size inside, I'm in the middle of setting up, so I've kind of trashed the car. And there's still a ton of room. Right, Tay? The reason I got this without bars across the top is because it's the only way to open the tailgate. I got set up just as it started to start raining. So it's raining. And the sun's out, but it's raining. When I'm camping, especially with a new tent, I use a waterproof bag. It sounds like it's raining. Oh no. I'm just making a quick stir fry. Olive oil. A dash of this. It's a caramel type flavoring. And that was just sharp cheese. I wiped out the pan. This is just canola oil, so it doesn't matter that it's lodged. I'm just gonna leave it there now. Almost ready to go again. This tonight. It wasn't supposed to rain again, Those are all my very wet shirts because it just keeps on raining. It's still looking a little bit nasty out, but I see blue. Today is my last day at this site. I thought I'd make it fun, lighting a fire. After 3 days and nights of constant rain, why is this tipped on its side? Condensation built up inside, and I wanted to dry this because it is a fleecy, fabricy stuff. Right now I've staged all of the bags I need and the tent so that I have ease of putting everything away tomorrow. Normally I do not bring my refrigerator into my tent, especially if it's in a bear area, but I did do it this time. I know there's no bears here, so on the day before I leave, I like to clean up as much stuff as I can to make it easier to leave. I'm taking the canopy down. I wanted to wait until it dried, and yeah, who looks like they haven't slept in a week? Probably me. A lot of my subscribers are first-time campers or first-time solo campers, and I'm just doing this to show you how to make things really easy. Staging everything. The reason I'm taking the, whatever I keep calling it, down is because tomorrow morning I don't want to be stressed. I have a long ride home and I want to take the tent down by itself. There's a lot of things in there that have to be either disassembled or put into the car van, and I don't want too many things to do all at once. I want to make sure everything is dry because the next time I'm going to use it, it's probably going to be, oh, maybe a couple of weeks. So I don't want to leave it sitting in its bag getting mildewy. There's the site now that I've just got a tent. Biggest reason to use a canopy. When it is very, very sunny, you can avoid what happened to me in one of my last camping trips, which was getting heat stroke because I was kind of parked in a parking lot. It was actually a campsite, but it was like a parking lot. So a quick update on this twin-sized air mattress that has the built-in controls as well as its cords are all self-contained. It holds air pretty well, does go down a little bit. It's not a big deal. And yeah, as far as a twin-sized air mattress, I've been happy with it. In the tent video that I said that I was unboxing it, I wanted to show people what it could do set up. If this table and the refrigerator and all the power banks weren't there charging, a chair, something cozy. Let me show you my bedroom. Just looking around the corner, there's a private room with tons of space. Something really quick on this. You can see it's at 35 degrees. I keep a thermometer in here and it says that it's 36. So it's within 1 degree of accuracy. On my recent camping expedition, I met a lot of really nice people. If you recognize Taylor or me, or you see my van, come by and see us.